Hello, and welcome to Tech presented by KYZEN, where we will explore common cleaning questions and answers. Let's get started. I'd like to introduce KYZEN's own Abraham Cantu.
Thank you very much for the introduction, William. Good morning. In this Tech session, we will be discussing a very important topic in the SMT process, manual stencil cleaning. Today, we will explore why it is crucial to clean a stencil correctly, the most common methods, and the advantage of changing from isopropyl alcohol, also known as IPA, to a more modern and safer engineered cleaning chemistry. And many companies already have automatic equipments, but manual cleaning remains a critical stage to ensure quality, performance, and reliability in production. Why clean my stencil? Well, cleaning a stencil is not just a matter of appearance. It's a necessity of the process. Any residue or contamination left on the stencil directly impacts the printing quality. Proper cleaning reduces defects such as shorts, breach, insufficients, or voids, which translates in less rework and higher productivity. Cleaning your stencil properly is an investment in the performance and reliability of your SMT process. In this table, we show the main stencil cleaning methods and a general comparison of their characteristics. The manual method, using a lint-free towel and a solvent, can be alcohol or a specialized cleaning chemical. It's ideal for low volume production or prototypes. And it is flexible and low cost effective, but it is highly dependent on the operator. That's the main thing here. The offline cleaning method, using an automatic stencil washer, offers a total and consistent cleaning, but comes with a higher initial cost. We need more budget, guys. Finally, under-stencil wipe cleaning is done directly on the solder-based printer, which does not interrupt production, but if the cleaning product is not effective, it might require more frequent cleaning cycles, which would affect the process efficiency or yield. How to perform it? Manual cleaning is a simple process but requires to follow some key steps. First, remove the excess of solder paste with a spatula, being careful not to touch the apertures. Next, apply the solvent into a lint-free towel or directly onto the stencil, and clean the opposite direction to the apertures. For example, if you print from top to bottom, clean left to right. Afterward, dry or remove any remaining solvent and visually check that no residue remains. Traditionally, many companies use IPA for this task. IPA is inexpensive and readily available, but it has significant limitations. It does not completely remove lead-free or no-clean paste. It evaporates too quickly. It may leave invisible residues that, after printing, can affect the quality. Moreover, it requires more pressure on the apertures, increasing the risk of damaging the mesh or the apertures. And let's not forget, IPA is flammable. Well, limitations of IPA in stencil cleaning. Guys, even if the stencil may appear clean, residues are often left behind, which are not visible to naked eye. Like these residues, these marks are residues left behind. IPA evaporates before it can fully dissolve the solder paste, resulting in incomplete cleaning. Additionally, the extra effort to clean can damage the apertures and the frame, as we mentioned earlier, leading to long-term defects. For instance, applying too much pressure can cause the stencil foil to detach from the mesh, and over the time, it may peel off completely or lose tension. And remember, IPA is flammable, so it's also a safety risk for the operator. Beyond IPA. For all those reasons, many companies have decided to step forward and switch to cleaning chemicals specifically designed for those processes. This solution can be water-based or solvent-based and are formulated to efficiently dissolve solder paste and flux residues. The main advantage are controlled evaporation, allowing to clean without drying too quickly, a greater safety for the operator and the environment, non-flammable, low odor, and low VOC emissions. And it's compatible with stainless steel, mesh, and frames. Well, moreover, they can be used for both, manual and automatic cleaning. Benefits. Specialized cleaning chemicals not only clean better, but also simplify the job. Some products are ready to use, leave no greasy or sticky residues, and require no rinsing. Among the most notable benefits are more consistent printing results, less rework and less material waste, a safer environment for the operator, compliance with environmental regulations, and long-term savings, thanks to the product efficiency. In other words, it's not just about cleaning, it's about improving the quality and efficiency of your SMT process. Modern cleaners offers more consistency, greater safety, lower environmental impact, and better overall process performance. To conclude, let's review the most important points. Manual stencil cleaning still is essential, especially when you don't have an automatic equipment. IPA is no longer the best option. Modern cleaners offer better performance and are safer. And finally, a clean stencil means fewer defects, less rework, and a more efficient and reliable production. Let's go with the frequently asked questions. Can we still use IPA? Yes, you can, but it's less effective, flammable, and leaves residues. Modern cleaners work better and safer. The next is, are modern cleaners safe for stencils? Yes, compatibility studies say it's safe to stainless steel, mesh, and frame materials. The next question, is fast drying important? Well, modern engineered cleaners are designed to evaporate quickly, but not too quickly. So there is enough time to clean the stencil properly and remove the residues. Are modern engineered cleaning agents environmentally friendly? Well, most modern chemistries are designed to meet strict environmental, health, and safety requirements, as opposed to IPA. They are typically non-flammable, low VOC, and low odor. And we are here to help. At KYZEN, we're committed to help you optimize every part of your cleaning process, from the beginning, selecting the right product, and implement it. If you need technical assistance, recommendation, or training, we are here to help you. Thank you for your time. And remember, a clean stencil is a reliable process. Thank you.
Thanks, Abraham. And thank you guys for watching this Tech to Tech session. If you would like to discuss this topic further, or have any questions not answered in the session, please contact your local KYZEN Regional Manager or send an email to tech@kyzen.com, and we will have someone follow up with you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, be sure to follow us on our social media platforms for more expert cleaning content.